Chitariki ni 11 cy'umutinyi 11 umwaka yega wechiri bubere 25 ensane yamo yabona magoroba no gosemerya kwanenga kwa bere ko gotwara litko litoera rukegima gokwarigana nende asemesa ya mangana maya ime Soko TV elinde ngomanye na ya basaki baitu babere bako yasangereria kora chinsemo na kwene kibuna bere kagotoikera iga mwanchi murigeria inyara yonsi naboko yanyara gwetera sensemeri mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube gwetera Soko TV riane kerubo Frida na bali bako ene kibuna chivi channel yogide gukira sole asenchera ya bene Brian Achaka director Zack na boigo Felistas Kabendi kondo mwanchi murigeria yango turayanyara senchera yoko ya chuta.
So sisi maofisa wa polisi wali suspect kuwa yule mama anaweza kuwa alipata kuawa na mwili yake kuzikwa mahali pale.
Omubere bw'omongina zipora gutinde kurwana abo bisa emagoroba ya lero.
You should not take alcohol while driving.
Ekiombegya NTSA kuroba semigoro yogotanga imibasokano y'ekibara.
Tuwatemire asitokunyara lakini bono kuikabona togukwana ibi epiriere nyagitali igere igoro mono
amateyemo kuganya gusirwa elyo kumwenya omwanchwa obo.
Byakima mwancho murigereria ngokwarigania elinde toyanyore amangana maya asenchera yoboikirano koyachaka amaya yebire biga mwancho murigereria nigo tokoyachaka korwa asorogongo rwagusi asengo kumanya buna maega yomongino yomo kobora asegeka bono nigo omubiroye obakogotindo korwa kurugali asensemo yagekomo Mwembe Cathedral okwana korase chinseme cyo chinga kichogotindo kora omubiroyo nigo omo siese abaga kweneke buna nigo botukebwa abeire bogo chakigwa elio asaineke buna nigo mukagerwo yomo boboite abere gakobekwa biera muri kito Petro Machini na kirana chinseme cyo nabayo twaliganilia ayakobwatia
Magega yomobere womuswatyo yomo oyomanyakaina mnazi pora omari gotoka chinsemo cha Cathedral gatendikira shinjira chubututukana aburi kurigoro Nigori tukurerero omubiro yo onyara kubagogo tindokorwa asenyo.
Tulipata ripoti ya mama moja ambaye anaishi katika kijiji cha Bosongo ambaye alikuwa amepotea kwa boma yake. So tulipopata hiyo habari sisi maafisa wa polisi na raia wale majirani ambao walikuwa hapo walitoka wakaanza kumtafuta mahali ambapo alikuwa anaishi na mume wake, na katika ile hali ya kutafuta na kuangalia walipata katika sehemu ya shamba
nikikorikyo no mo CPD begeta seni ya Kisii Central Musaima Mai oyoerere igoro yege korikyo.
Na hakika hivi sasa vile ninavyozungumza tumepata kufufua mwili ambayo kulingana na uchunguzi wetu wa mwanzo inaonyesha kwamba inaweza kuwa ni mwili ya yule mama ambaye aliripotiwa kupotea. Kupitia uchunguzi wetu na ripoti ya daktari ambaye ataangalia ile mwili pale kwa hospitali tutapata kuthibitisha kama kwa kweli ni mwili wake, na tukithibitisha pia katika uchunguzi wetu tutachunguza kujua ni katika hali gani ambapo yeye alizikwa pale, aliwawa. Yote hayo tutakuja kuyapata katika uchunguzi wetu ambayo tunafanya kwa kini.
Ukwanekerekyo nigo abekireteneni mokigro yomo nigabekru biara orajigo konya igro yobotukyo bo.
Hivi sasa ningependa kusema ya kwamba wananchi najua wanasikia uchungu, raia wa karibu, majirani najua wanasikia uchungu kwa kumpoteza yule mpenzi wao, lakini tunataka kuhakikishia kwamba tutatenda haki katika uchunguzi wetu kupata kisa cha haki.
Go imamai aburia wananchi ni amati ya nyagusira kwa baba tueru ekirobo tukibogenderete elio kumanya ekiukireta yo.
Kwa hivi sasa vile ninavyozungumza tuko na mshukiwa ambayo tuko naye, na katika uchunguzi wetu tutajua kama alihusika katika maafa ya huyo mama ambaye mwili yake tumechimbua sasa hivi.
Nanyana bo mapema harit kuria rero nige amati ya nyagusira yaganyo kwa nguyo gutindo korwa omwanchobo na bigo obwene bo mwanchobo kubwatiwa.
Sisi tulikuwa tunaomba juu mwenye amemua ako na ako na watoto, huyu mwenye amekufa, serikali tusaidie tupate haki ya huyu marehemu, haki ende kwa watoto wake. Hilo tu, kwa sababu bwanake alikufa kitambo sana, akamwachia watoto, akamwachia nyumba ambazo alikuwa ndani na collect, analetea mwanaume anamlisha hizo nyumba through hizo nyumba.
Sema serikali tusaidie, tujue vile mama ameuawa kwa kupenda kwenu. Tusaidiane, serikali waingie ndani, hata waheshimiwa wetu waingie ndani, watusaidie tujue mahali mama ameuawa.
Nenge korwa kyo cyane muno ekyanya ko bagye kweneke gwa korwa bridge kuri igoro asebono eserikali nabo igo ebyombe byoberende banyako bagwisokya na kurusia omubere bomusubatyo yomo oyokagire kuitwa na gutinde kwa aschinsemo chegekom bono nigo eserikali yanyako bagye kuruko bode gutya sabantu kwa baba tweru ekero omukagiro yomo abekiru byara ekero obochuki bogenderete kurpoteria Ensoko TV kuruga ekenyero kyegekom e county ya Kisii tinigongoro ko Petuel Machin.
Wasikabasio ya mate ya mokurase kinyoro kia Rianjuku ebunge ya bumachoge borawi kaunti ya Kisii nigo yasabira bokonye bwabene iliokomoenia umwana obo aserieta Brian Moses maega yogotangwa ne bile renene asenye gitari wanigo basabire gokonya gukora ebiri yo ereye kiribu chiminya muragotomanya mulikito Dominic Ondeli.
Amatemo kurwe kinyoro kia Rianjuku ime ward ya bauchibarwe bunge ya machoge borawi kaunti ya Kisii yasabira bokonye bwabene ilikomoenia umwanchi obo mwana Brian Moses uyoru araseka ke wike ya mwana gosire mabwaye asebone birire kiribu chiminye kuwatikana no gutanyara kurasenke yeiga nigo ya mate yaicanira mono asoko mosire umwanchi obo we myaka 20
Intoni mbwata bokong goro yo mwana gabona chakete kurwara rarwarire ngaki entambe paka na irwe transfer chinyakitali angesato bona akorire tokwenda Metfort nakagete ngobogima bwani mokonyere Metfort lakini bwasinyire bona nararete endokere igoro ne piri nari gosaba bokonya asemore
kini yabeire gasienko nigo yabeire gasienko ngwasenge ncho twoncho kana ndi chinyagitari bere isato kokonyo bogima bwo mwana Brian twatemire asitokonyara lakini bono goikabona togukwana iga epiri ere nyagitari igere igoro mono habwa asitwoncho kana ndiri kuri yabaire nabasani twanyorire nga okonyora gwaito kwabeire nse
ngeye monyero jona mwekire iga mwarore na asengeye mwarore babakongu bororo na hende buna bano goikira jinga kibune chiga period nyagitaria igere nene yeri 455 na hende sitiri gabuna na hende ntogenderete na hende akerare mojeri na hende bidi negenderete kura komenta umwana yakora tu barese ni marakabere chibasa chikagara chikamenta umwana yabekere tu moika
akena tsire nko basaba bakonye mokonye nyara ko baginkurisi umwana ne mojeri
amate yasabira abairi mona babwatani abo gwanchokuya babwatese gukora ebire rikomwa umwana obo ogotimoka okuya
abamate baminto muiri onde byansi oranyare kurwa bakonyi gakiwo chasi tole se family yega yeito una yanyore tobako enyore tobako ngtata bwa iganyare ko bagotokonya erinde tonyare ko batokurusya umwana uri mochari ase nginjo ye ebire igoro tonyare ko batoko mweni
banyabiasara bande bonse pota ende yonsi gaki basoyo ko bakumubuko batokonye umusigo oyo endugo yane yanyorire igoro monene na ndego toro obwomu obone naso enkeye gaki
abarai akoro isikona mono bali kora sorogo ngoroiga nigo basabire goika amate yange eliokonye goikirania amagani yabo yokomwenia umwana obo na mono ko bakonya gwetera sena mbeye iga
kwanira abajumbe baito aba MCA baito nonyanga bana bito no mugumeni lebu tonya toto yo minto mwamba mu MCA obatia barongo ase bakoigwirio kibuneri ariko moko igwa kera tora kogani moje motokonye na intu toruserio mwana wa nyagitari
tobo konyi kiana rwanero mochukuru yone chinjira chonspi bakonyori bono nta gitobo konyi asaba minto mwespi abagambi na abande bajumbe motokonye tumurushi moje lise pirire gitumono
kubwatikana utanya kora senke ne abantu bonse bugwanchuke banyako bagusabanya ko bakonye amatega inyako bekomurusyo mwancho basenke no komureta senka yabo banyako bakomukoresa bali ayo mwali rwesane kya chinkoro cyabo kuripoti senke yo nambe mugion soko tivike nyo kyariyo nchyo kyotoka gaigase ward yabo chibungi ya Machagorwe county ya Kisii Lieutenant Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Obasemea nigo bwarurgo cha ase aborokiwa ba KMTC igoro ye chinjera babwenerete gwetanga kurwa ase emibasokano yepara okwana kurwa sinsemejo nigo bamurikira chinjera anene chinga kiba gutambuka chipare cyase kyombe gya NTSA kurwa sensemo ya Nyanza inse yoburayibwa yo mu bisabwe kyombe kyo Adan Kuno ulenjera yemo yo kuyaligania gochengera lituko lioko banyora bali basirete obuguma bwabo gwetera ase omubasokano yo moyogoyo nigo orachie gokorekana litukuri ya Jumapili eikiyega na gotomanya umulikito Wycliffe Orenge
buna enjera yemo yo kuyaregania gochikolichengera litukuri gwetangana mibasokano yebara nabako kubanyura bali basirire obuguma bwabo gwetera ase mibasokano yebara bono nige kyombe kya NTSA ense burayi bwaye omu busomonene asoroshegerwa Kisii adanado bayana ni robo semia gochia asaborokiwa ba KMTC ya Kisii.
Today we are here at KMTC Kisii campus, following an invitation by the school by the campus principal, just to have an interaction on the matters of road safety with the students, because everybody is a road user, and this information we need all of us so that we can reduce these injuries and fatalities as a result of road crashes. Because statistics shows us by NTSA the year 2024 we have already lost 4,748 Kenyans on our roads, courtesy of road crashes. And road safety is a shared responsibility, especially our students are in the category of vulnerable road users, especially the pedestrians, and also the mode of transport most of the time is boda. So we were having some interaction on this and their experience, so that at least they can have responsibility beginning with their lives, because life does not have a reset button, and we need to have always precaution as we use our roads, because these roads belongs to all of us.
Bago kuwa na Nensoko TV magega yo basemi obwo nigabora kuwa bwa KMTC bago kero basemi obwo na gwatababuna ningo banyoli gwe chinchira chingia chibotume kiwe chibara rogwetanga kurwa seme basakano bunaba eti.
I'm very grateful for NTSA people for visiting us. Today I've learned to observe road safety. I used to wear earphones, but now I've learned that I'll be very careful to prevent accidents in future.
For now, I've learned how to consider left and right before crossing the road.
Reckless drivers, like you should not take alcohol while driving, because it might cause accident. You should not overspeed as a driver.
Onye nabo ni go moteneri gwe skuru yo ayanekire buna obasemi obuno bwengencho gotia sabara kigwa ekiagera nabarabwo gotumeka bale chibara.
I'm very pleased to have you as guests in our campus. What you have come to do is very important, because our students need road safety, and what they have been taught, I believe will be able to assist them, so that when they are crossing even the roads, we will not be having cases of many accidents. So thank you for the information, and we invite you to come, because we will be having other trainings. We will be training other people, even borders, on the issues of road safety and first aid.
Adan niga singerere buna ekyombe kya NTSA gecheko gandira okoro bonyabi asachipara rokwene kebuna chigale chiria chitaikirane tebirango byokobera para echiri gotoka para naboigo abagende bechigali gwetanga kurwa sobotindu.
We always have a shared responsibility with other government agencies. For instance, the enforcement of the law is a reserve for the National Police Service. We always plan these joint operations just to ensure that we crack unauthorized or non-roadworthy vehicles on our roads. Nevertheless, we also talk through the sensitizations that we have spoken, and also this is an agenda of the government. But nevertheless, it is your personal responsibility to ensure that we always take these vehicles too, because the information is already out there, private and the citizens and also the MDAs, to ensure that we pool our resources, to ensure we make sure that we use vehicles that are fit for purpose.
Inko reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwagaiga asamaga chake MTCA orosayarwa Kisii county ya Kisii Reteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Wasikabusio asoro batronde ekiombe kyo Burundi kya NTSA bitabo byo Burundi bwapara naboigo county ya Nyamira amono morai obodaboda association riders nigo baikirana sege ikaro kya Nyamira North sub county bodaboda imegete ya ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugrange county ya Nyamira aseko wamo bagikiria bokongu obotumeki gati ya Burundi abechipigipigi aso wasomba echanga amo nogokora ebikore byoboibi bagukwana ekerekia Barundi aba boda boda nigo babo wene county ya Nyamira wakana ebango eliokoa county yo enibo asogo ikirania amagendero imeye county yo kulenda sensemende ya NTSA nigo babolia abarundi boda boda kwene kebnanko inyara bali basiritie amagimabo aso mwaka bwekiri bubere 2024 asege kuru kiabekirwe asori ende bwensi okorundia chipigipigi cyabo bobe nigo muliketo Steven Nyarike Mbunde aikira na stinsemecho nabo yogo twaliganiria yakobatia
nasegeti yekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugrango imeya Nyamira asomoyega buko igora Nyamira North sub county bodaboda CPO asomoyega ikiranetwe no muwaziri bwobonjorere Nyamira Bernard Maina ebitabo byo Burundi Nyamira ikiombe yo kurigereria obogendia NTSA amono murayo bodaboda Nyamira inzea bodaboda Association of Kenya Dominic Babu aiganigo gosaba kwabekirwa abarundi ba bodaboda bonsi korwe banko eriyo konye county ya Nyamira kwikirania magendero bene
amangana yose garakoreke tafadhali tobe mutwe ase okurwe bango egere na lituranyore kibesa tubekere kisheti tonyore kibesa tubaroiseri kipara nonyene kare kwa umiri okugenda nyagetari onyore ibyobo bodaboda power governor power waterane ibango na yerera tokonye tubeka mariyo nyagetari kele ndo wese nabakumya kako genda gari nyagetari tutoteguna batalonga mariyo tari nyagetari tutagete ko contribute to the growth of the economy ya Nyamira asubwetera kuwebango
asensemo yebitabo byo Burundi nigo byagenderere kobori wanga nere bya Barundi bonsi bigipigi kwene kingango twara barekira ise cyo Burundi abo igoko twara insurance cyo bogendia.
Nikipenda kusema kitu ya kwanza ya muhimu sana nyinyi watu wa bodaboda tuwaje kuwa Mr. Right kwa barabara. Ile kitu ningependa kuwahimiza nyinyi sababu watu wengi wanatoroka wakifanya accident. Kitu ya kwanza uko na driving license. Ya pili ukuwe na insurance. Hiyo insurance najua hiyo ndio kitu inafanya unatoroka ama unatorosha pikipiki. Na labda wewe uko right umekosewa na mtu ya gari ama umekosewa na mtu ya lori. Na wewe unatoroka badala uko compensate.
Korengana nekiombe kia NTSA niga Barundi ya chipigipigi heriwe yamone miemo babeire bagosiria magimabo asomwa kwetete gento kiabere yokogosereri okonene.
Mwaka uliopita tumeweza kupoteza Wakenya 4748 na kati ya hao watu 1166 ni wanabodaboda. Na kuna wale tunawaita vulnerable road users ama wale wanakuwa katika hatari zaidi wakiwemo wanabodaboda, abiria zao na wale wanatembea kwa miguu na wale watu wa kuendesha baiskeli.
Ekurenti ndi nigekereke kyo ya bwatu kirugo cha Barundi abo babeire bagotumeka bobe asoboke baono boibi nga nigo babekirira tiri na niga matuka bara bamenge mono
ya kuwa tusaidiane kwa mambo ya usalama. Chairman mwenyewe alizungumzia akisema ya kuwa kuna baadhi ya wanabodaboda wanatumika kusafirisha chang'aa, na hii ni jambo tumeshuhudia. Nafikiri last week Madam Sub-County Police Commander kule chini Kekonge, jamaa amekuja mbio, amebeba mtungi imewekwa kwa gunia. Naomba tushirikiane, mambo kama haya isiwe.
Kadi mnisamee, tusaidiana na DCC katika hii. Kuna watu wetu wa bodaboda wanabeba chang'aa, si ukweli? Tutampatia taarifa. Kuna watu wetu wanatumika kuiba stima, hiyo ndio changamoto. Hapa bodaboda wetu wanatembea usiku kuja. Finally, kuna zile pikipiki hazina number plate, Madam Sub-County Commander, hiyo nao anza kushika mara moja. Hakuna pikipiki inaruhusiwa kuja kwa barabara bila number plate.
Steven Nyarikie Monde, Ensoko TV North Mugrango, county ya Nyamira.
Askabosio baraibech kanisa chia AIC kora sorgongo rwagusi bakoragwa na Pastor Paul Ochora na boigo James Monyenye niko basabire abayiboli ko bamaiso chinga kichiga cheru sentambe ase okobalire ose kubabeka abana babo ange na kumanya ningi bagokora ase metandao yekerero ekero bagutumika chisimi cyabo amaigaye bikore bibe koene kigwa gose korokana na gusambaswa ase nsemeli ye mitandao ningo bayakwa naya ekero muyega bogosyoria amaterabo ase kanisa ya AIC Milimani imeyakisi abo ase boigo baumerana na boigo gochakya omoroberi bwa basubati korwa ase kanisa yo umanyikanite na Society Day oyo orabe ko gutumeka asoko bakonya na boigo kwene kyabuna bali batali kwenyara ase binyoro mbabo bose babwate michando ase chinga cyabo ngo yegendereria bale.
Yesu shirichagwe na vigelegele. Sema amen. Katika wakati huu tunaelewa kwamba tuko likizo ndefu ya watoto ambao itachukua 2 months. My plea as a clergy, my plea as a pastor ni kwamba wazazi wajumuike, wazazi waajibike kwa kuweka watoto katika hali ambapo hawataenda kinyume, hawata mess up wakati wa likizoni ndefu. We look forward to parents getting involved with the children, wasiache watoto wakizurazura mtaani wakati wa likizo hii ndefu ya Krismasi. Wale ambao wanafanya piracy ni hatari kwa sababu inaharibu ile dhamana ya wimbo ama inaharibia yule ambaye ametunga nyimbo biashara. May we ask God to help us so that we change and we stop the challenge of piracy that is making the music industry not to grow. Na
najua kwamba an empowered life, an empowered family, an empowered Christian is an empowered church. Hiyo inatusaidia kwamba tukaweze kuwafanya watu kujitegemea. Na katika hali yetu ya makanisa ya Mungu kujitegemea inaenda katika mambo ya maushirika manyumbani. Mtu anapopatikana kwamba ako na changamoto za kifedha, wanao nafasi nzuri ya kuweza kukuja pamoja na kumuinua. Kama ni biashara wanamuinua. Katika makanisa yetu inakuwa nafasi nzuri, tuko na nafasi ya kuweza kuwafikia wale wasiojiweza kwa wakati mmoja ama mwingine, ili tukaweze kuwainua katika hali yao ya kifedha. Nayo inakuja siku ya wamama wamebuni, inaitwa siku ya society ambao tunafanya mara moja kwa mwaka.
Familia Marita Kerubo Joshua korwa ase kinyorokia Nyang'ori imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ase bunge ya West Mugrange County ya Nyamira oyole n'abana batano noyomo abukonye bamenyete ase nyumba ya mabati atano maegayo mugakoye kumutama ase egekaki emyaka 3 bono ekere obugima bwakongete nigo musamalium ya Samarieta Richard Monyancha abeteka wesoke bene nabo igo kumwagachira enyumba eyo esoko enekinga nabwate obumenyo Marito yole ne myaka 25 nigakorera chinga kyagenderere kurwania obutaka asekulende abereka gosaba abeka gosirwa linde konyora endagira
itangoroku umongino yo Joshua Matunda no muone abana mbwate nsita Marita Kerubo Joshua abana stabale menyete asokwerigerie bibarua mugakera tayo mugakora chiranga emyaka 3 ninche ngurigeria abana kiregento nyomba nere na benga na mninga na igo no tamenyete na abana abo oyo matigirite form 1 oyo nde mbona ari grade 9 oyo kabere no oyo nde 7 yale na omoke mona na 5 bali bonsi babira umumura ni nyaruka
umusubati oyo nona abana esukuru bagosomera obokongo omugako ye karato kurigereri buno twagachete kuri mabyata iyo na maene kinyore kine ora achira matuka atari make okorire gwetani omwaka emyaka 3 bana achira ata iyo gaiga musubati onere gwe koraiga na bana enyomba bwagacheirwe na iregenderete kwagachirwa omurayo chira igo muya yokorokwa Richard Munyanja omubekeire nyomba twararire ngambi ya mono nyomba mwaya gwe karato kurigereri litoro chenga none getanda nkeyo korange timbo iyo ndagira te abana bakori yako no goyeta imigondo gukora chikondo kurigie ndagira oroche karako nyora 150 asiri tukogende ngeyo kogora geisa ina abana baranyanya
asamare tengro Christine ncheno murugyo Munyanja pono mne yakoba mno mungina binga madanda a wife kerana oshipche chenyombe yega nabona ichante sana so name krere effort twaria mabati torete toshege kana so nyomba gabu rangana marika kurwa maisana because yabo ata abana na nabato mwana gabu oino mushando on still so first of all they need kwanza civic education na no nyomba yake baramba bwati so na mabera so tware kuungana twensipi we all well wishers tubwatane gaki no Santa Towels mbabwati actually it's really hard ono twarko saba abraibonsi ipi from anywhere from any corner taringa Nyamira yoka patokonye tubwaterane at least musho yakoreki oshigoro no eno bore mbokartiki mboyo
Richard Munyanja tore nyangori mbonye wa tore nyangori naende moma etenenga kie campaign tore nanje kinarenge gweta se campaign kaikanga nyore situation ya erasaya ngatabanga egotogote nikiregento mpaka tore na omongino yo onyore nyomba sakobera kiagera ntomyoka stokomya gochia banya tokonyore shida ya ase nande ndokoliga solution lende mbugambikyo botokoliga anya ntobwati chibu ndime chandele bantu bitwabwate nakikia ngusire na ate balero njene timu ya ne twenspie togo jaga kolumambia amoroje nyomba ntogende abande ngoma bara mabati ngobe kwale igoro paimambia tonyoro nyore nyomba sawa correct asakorara
Maseneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Richard Mumoima Onyonga nigakwanira obokoreri ase chinyagitari maigaye komiti yobochenu ye Senate gukora etaro gochia ase chinsemo okwana bosi we Senate nigo nikiribuna nigetaro yabo yalentre amonchilio asobokinya ebirengo byobochenu nanya nabo nigaburire abaseneta hoikirana ase binyoro elioko ene kyabo nebirengo byobochenu gukina birase chinyagitari.
I was in Kiambu County yesterday and we have visited several counties like my colleagues have said. Mr. Speaker, the situation is not helpless. I was actually surprised that when we visited Kiambu County, even when we found the challenges and the mess that was at the referral hospital, where the kitchen doesn't even have equipment and machinery that is cooking the food, the ceilings are collapsing. Mr. Speaker, I was shocked that patients in Kiambu Hospital have never eaten meat. Patients are never given an egg, or do we have sugar? I mean, it was really a very, very painful scenario. Even though that was the case, Mr. Speaker, there was also very good information from Kiambu County Health Services. Why? Because they have done 24 level 3 and level 4 hospitals, which are all brand new. We visited those facilities, and Mr. Speaker, they were quite impressive. The governor has officers, some of them who have worked very well and very good for the county, but some of them have been a problem. Some of them have gone and opened hospitals, their own personal hospitals in Ruiru and in Thika. Some of the medicines are found there, and I want to mention to this, Mr. Speaker, I have a very special request to make to my colleagues. We need to get out of this building and go to the counties, Mr. Speaker. Every single place we have visited, we have seen that there were changes.
Mwancho murigereria kurwa soroboti uroni gotoko enyorera libagaria gosoa asomo timoko keigo kurende toska tonyegera gwira nturasegeke kirbo sirinde tobeto gusanga amange.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'omugusi obulimira bw'essiro ly'obunda bw'ense kulende tali nchirende onsora kurobulimi obuyoke enyorera libaga lya bene kwaegwa migirio chisemi nobosemya igoro y'obulimi bw'ekerero n'ekikolinga
ase obolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gaja konyana eyinsimegete nterangete amaraba ekonete konya gukina yo kamaraba konya kuyira nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere obolimi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura sabarimi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomoro buri bw'obolimi n'obutugi ime y'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Iyo di tarumbeta ya pili ekinege chule ya gatatu wewe oyo kobugibune kiderebe sakogwa eba koboria kajomongino yego kuana korwa Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Yani karibu kobegete TV yao nyomba igokorigereria kende gyosi getayo yani mokuna nonye ne irio erigereti igoro yani mbali kobwa mbabu atimanga na gwanchereria mbabu atimanga na ariyo kobiza gose yo gokenga ni yo komenterania ebago soki kerikerororo
Buya kegemo mwancho murigeri bw'Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira gosoa enka yawe mambia bono.
Buya kegimana inde aso twanzira kobari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyomba mwago emambie
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligereri ncheni Innocent Onyango
Diana Ndem
togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM kananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali somo secretary general sokiri na kugikilia serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila Puppet or ODM Lipu. Matoyo Edwin Sifuna. Ole Secretary General ya ODM. Secretary General ya rogo saidi kurwe binto kurwe mekitapa kerege. Lakini nkoira ni maega kego. Omondo mato okorageria sese ya okagari. Egere koge butuko.
Obugima narugendo rubwa tamange. Amaya namabe Omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire nabako yaetera
Nchekera na igole twe unango tebiwa ndabona igole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chike buya tasta ngachaka ngondifera po unoira samagoro wani kamanya gutokanga na twaliro wana wachagete
aya nime yo muroberio bw'omwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime y'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Mugusi omwancho murigereri niga ruete asense mo ya busongo orogongo rwa Afrika agatara agasoa asense ya Kenya agasoa ase county bere chiagusi Kisii na Nyamira na nene monese bitunu biri twanchete kurendo mugusi tachete gotegera rororo obero gotara asense nkima na rero tugotore asense mo ya pipeline omwancho murigereri aso mugusi anyara ko bagasoa na gochaka kwerigeria asenchera ya bene kurwaiga pipeline omwochi o Nairobi ntobeto koletra emegano ende yonsi iri okorekana
etana ino mugusi na anene moni nse yonsi ya Kenya eye ne Nsoko TV elietaliane ni Innocent Onyango.
Asoko liya okogokia kogosemia nabo igo gukomanya ali akorekanire kurwa chinsemo chia Kenya
kurwa sensemo ya siasa chisemi obonchoreria amaganio ali akubwatira ne obugima bwa botambe bwa mwanya bantu ogonzi ko batogosanga asensemo yeringana rie kemoya mwanchu murigeria kurigia komanya mangana yekegusi abego chingencho chae
umerana na inche Frida Kerubo
na inche Clinton Ondigi
tokomanye asemesa ya mangana maya ali akorekanire kurwa ase chinsemecho kera litukoria Jumatano enseyamo ya mogoroba nabo igo chinsa isato eye Nsoko TV oboroso bwomogusi.
Ensengongo ibere kera etageka na kera ensa amangana maya nigo agwateka nimbe ngotuka gosaka nabo igo gukomanya ayarabe gagwateka korwa ase omochomane no Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane
Tomo chako tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukomanya yago korekana kera lituku nabariki baitu be andrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengali botali no mubwekano
mwanchi murigereria ntobe togwikirana ase chichiro ase tokumorekera ngaki ebimeri bikorwa ase megondo nabo igo kugwikira aye omwanchi omurigereria ntobe tokurigereria amagori yebimeri guna chinyanya amatoke amarabuani nebinde ebinge igo toskata nyegera gende gotengera egetaseni gya Nsoko TV obona buboroso obomogusi Eriane Kerubo Frida
Mrna nabalibe chinguru erikwe manya abona wataka kuchitana nye chinse Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya onye kubwateri iborio obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsigoro yemeroberi yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri kuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene o Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi. Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bwomogusi.
Yake gima mwanchi murigeria bigeta sene Nsoko na ndengo kwarigania ase ntunda ya kabere chinga kitogante gosanga ime ya maya y'Ensoko. Oskabusio mwanchi murigereria nigo museneta wi county ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni agikeire omoroberio osha ne chinjira okulya abakoreri ase abananchi okwana nigo agania omoroberio yo gusira obugwenya bwikirano nigane kebuna abakenya abange nigo bagutumika eni bokonyoro abakoreri ase aganiria maunchirerio okorekana.
Care is supposed to meet the medical needs of Kenyans. When I go to a hospital with a share card, what I expect as a speaker is that my medical expenses will be met by the share card, Mr. Speaker. So if I go to hospital and if you calculate 1.34, that's about 10%. You cannot pay 10% of my bill and then you cheat us that SHA is not working. That's the point I'm making. Expert treatment. And Mr. Speaker, when some of us come to this house and say that SHA is not working, it's because of the personal experiences we have gone through. Mr. Speaker, we incurred a bill at Nairobi Hospital of 1.34 million. And the only portion that SHA paid was 218,000, Mr. Speaker. So how can we tell Kenyans that SHA is working? I mean, let's be serious. Let's be serious, Senator. Let's be serious. Most of us, Mr. Speaker, when we get sick, we go and flash our medical cards in hospital because we have all those benefits. But the poor of the poorest in this country, Mr. Speaker, don't get any assistance from this thing you call SHA, Mr. Speaker. So let's call a spade, Mr. Speaker, because we are leading comfortable lives, because we have this good.
Chisemi chobobundia nigo asamatko abono chabeire chingencho mono anene ase ekegoli kelia kegokina abono asibali banyalire chisemi chichobobundi na inde bagochikolera emirimo nigo bakonyora ebitoki ebiagerire begendererie ase obugima Denise Omwenga obangi no morosia na boigo monye bintokorwa ase chibao asomuchio ogesima niga chagete egasi iga maboko kuri umwaka w'ikirubere na 15 ase ekioreri kyabo nigo bachagete bale chibundi isano korwabo bamentre oika chibundi gwetania emerongo ebere ase bintu bire bakorosia nigo bakorya echiro gwetera chinchera choberania abo mangana gusase inchira yekerero online gwetera abo nigo agoteba buna abantu nigo bakorwa chingongo a Kenya elio gocha kubagulia gwetera omukyo yiga babwate niga gusegeta abasaye banyore amayigirio yobubundi ase chiskuru na inde baibwetani ase chigasi chobubundi elio koyegendereria.
Apart from furnitures, gokorotore mangana interior designing, gokorotore tiling, gypsum ceiling, wiring, window bends, wardrobes, kitchen cabinets, wall units. Everything is a matter of time. You try, you fail one, the other time you succeed. So you keep on trying. We are hoping of big things. Because when we started this workshop, it was a workshop by Kayo. So we expect more from God. We are just keeping chasing the achievement. We are to our challenges. The price of materials for example, for example, to at 50,000. A material, each material to cost around 40,000. Next stock container cost 40,000. You is another challenge. You can go to my swab. Customer might say gone 50,000. Material chachire almost 50,000. Na kiora nyalgo go change client yekenga even say yakina delivery all of a sudden konyara magudre arari say chi materials next time kwanda kwanyara shooteti wano nche ntora te vijana bika Kenya gasteyo oyo ko ende class kama tenga ngosto manji kulikwa I sympathize with him or her wana yega sio koboko ike oko minyubia kubwega sio bisi igwega siende sikudi na mangana yokwelika yeringia kuwega sio kwenda bisingo begete suti all the time kene kintu kanda tigere vijana byokina bano and ba utilizing ki chabo para abake ko ende class basomera mangana yako yo ubundi boko agarende bachigwe konya mambi mbaga ni bachigwe kweli araisi myaka nyore yachire yako bakongumanye gasi.
Mwaziri webyombe no boncherelia bokaboke imense Wycliffe Oparanya nigara egeikaro kyogokwanira emirobirere bosyo elyo goikirania egeikaro kyamatuko abere yekyombe kyoboncherelia nakorobere gocha asogokorekana emiye county ya Kisumu gochakira chitariki inye goika chitariki isano nemo cyumutenyo yiga umwaka 12 umwaka oyiga okana meyo mochi o Nairobi nigekare ikigekiranirwa no mugabana we county ya Kisumu Professor Nyang'nyong iwe county ya Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka amana baraibande asebonsi bakwana engwane yemo yobuya webyombe no boncherelia.
We are having it
because I know the Lake Region Economic Bloc. I was the pioneer here for the last 5 years before I handed it to Professor Nyang' Nyong'o. I know the dynamics of our economies in that particular place.
And that I was saying that our region is agro-based. You know, we're talking about sugarcane, we're talking about maize, talking about fish, and this is where we can bring our people together, because the individual struggles can now be turned into community struggles. And when it's a community struggle, when we pull together, it's easier than when you are doing it as an individual.
One of the things that I hope we shall discuss at a very extensive level is the issue of infrastructure. We must be very ambitious. I think we need to be very ambitious in improving infrastructure in our region.
Muraiwense Dr. William Ruto nigo aigereiro mweroverio o Hustler Fund asainikire na nigo konyere chiribu cha Kenya okwana asomo yega buko igora chia bisi cha International Trade Center ITC meyo muchio Nairobi nigo ruto atebire buna Kenya chi milioni 25 no yomo nigo bakonyekire kurwa asomo roverio o Hustler Fund asegwetania chi bilioni 53 chatumikire ilio koinike buna abasae kwa igenda ile bale.
To expand financial inclusion, we launched the Financial Inclusion Fund, popularly known as the Hustler Fund, which has so far disbursed 80 billion Kenya shillings to many Kenyans since November 2022. The fund has provided dignified credit to those previously excluded from formal lending. And let me say this about the Hustler Fund. The primary approach that we had on micro and small enterprises. In 2022, we had 7 million Kenyans, 3 million of them being micro enterprises who were blacklisted in our credit reference bureaus. And they could not undertake any business, they could not open an account, they were completely locked out of the economic space. We took the decision that we are going to change how credit is accessed in Kenya. We also took the firm position and negotiated with credit reference bureaus, and we redeemed 7 million Kenyans who were blacklisted and gave them a second chance. Today, I am very confident and happy that the 7 million Kenyans have since transformed. Today, we have 2 million Kenyans who borrow religiously from the Hustler Fund. Today, we have close to 800,000 entrepreneurs, small businesses, that today borrow money on our bridge finance as part of the Hustler Fund. And they are doing this without the benefit of any collateral. The biggest problem we had in Kenya was that for you to access credit, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 150,000, you either had to have a logbook of some motorcycle or car, or you have some title to some piece of land, or you have a pay slip. Today, an ordinary citizen without a pay slip, without a title deed, without a logbook, can access up to 150,000 shillings on the Hustler Fund, the only collateral being their credit record, that they are decent people and they can pay. It has expanded the collateral space. Today, the collateral space includes your credit rating, which comes as a result of you being able to pay your debts.
Mwancho murigereria kurwa soroboti uruni na ikiro mweli obo kumurikira amang'ana maya asebire biga kurende toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa isato ayena mange nenyore asenchira yobo ikirano kurende ende akubwatia emerobilio imegetaseni gensoko somorobilio wobolemi netwo ngochora segekeke kerobusigo toskale ne screen yagiria ne kerubo Frida abalto bwatela na soka ne kibna chibi channel yogide gukira sole senchira ya bene Felicitas Kabendi na boigo director Zack amona Brian achaka twarubuligereria borobia.